Hey y'all, HFS here. Today what we have is a, I don't even know what size it is, custom Hunter Sea Air. I got this from the Fanimation group trip, or I got it back when it was a normal Sea Air before I customized it from Cormac, along with another one. And it was missing the switch cap, and it was all scratched up, and it had replacement blades and irons on it. So I fixed it up. Didn't come with a mounting bracket either. So it is on the porch of my cabin now. I'll go ahead and turn it on. And it does move much faster with the new blades. Alright, there's low. This one's got vents. The other motor on the other Sea Air does not have vents in the motor. Alright, there's medium. And I know medium is also very fast. Does have a slight wobble, and this switch cap came off one of the fans that used to be in my house. It had a light kit right there, so that's why there's a hole drilled in it. I did not do that, but it's just the only switch cap I had. Alright, here's high. Spin down. Yes, I will post a video of my Fanimation haul once I'm back home. But this is one of the fans I got. And it's pretty good size. It's got a good clearance from the wall. And it matches because the posts are green and the blades are spray painted green. And the motor, I think the finish or the paint color is pitted metal, something like that. The blades are camouflage. That's the actual color of the paint. And yeah, the Sea Air used to be white. And the ball came off a Hunter baseball fan, but if we don't have any black ball, it'll fit that thing. I mean, I guess I do, I just didn't bring one. Alright. No, top shot. There's the logo. Looks like it stopped. Alright.